Hello, my name is Okemute, otherwise known as Optimistic Lady Boss, and in this channel I discuss everything related to personal development, business growth, as well as how to make money online. So basically in today's video I'll be discussing 10 reasons why building your self-confidence can have positive impact in your life, and that is your leveling up that I'm talking about. So before we proceed, I would like to ask for you to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading videos related to these topics every week and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on that. Also, you may want to bookmark this video because in case in the future and you want to reference back on it, it will be easy for you to find it. The number one on my list is that confidence can help you manage anxiety. When I say anxiety, I'm not referring to the clinical anxiety that is connected to mental health, but the situation-specific anxiety that most people experience every day based on the circumstances or the current situation that they find themselves, right? For example, you're trying to have a presentation and you start feeling anxious, right, just before your presentation. Or you need to have an important conversation with someone and you start feeling anxious about how to have the conversation, right? Or you are a public speaker before you get on stage, maybe the size of the audience, and you start feeling anxious. So with confidence, you give yourself pep talk and you overcome the anxiety. So the number 2 on my list today is confidence can help you stay safe. When I say stay safe, I mean in bowing to peer pressure, because without confidence you can be easily manipulated by the people around you. Alright, so maybe your friends are getting involved in some kind of activities that are not good and they would pressure you into doing it. But if you have confidence, you are able to tell them, no, I'm not interested in this, I'm not doing it. Right, so it can help you stay safe from doing those kind of things that will put you into trouble, as opposed to when you don't have confidence. You can easily give in and follow them to do what they are doing. For example, studies have shown that teenagers are most likely to make some risky and dangerous mistakes, right? Because this set of people are just building their self-confidence. Same goes to anyone who doesn't have confidence. Be you an adult, you can easily give in to peer pressure. For example, you see people doing stuff, people are claiming they have bought a house, they have done this. You want to do it because you lack confidence in yourself. You think you have to do this just to fit in. But with confidence, you know you don't have to do it. You don't need to impress anyone. So you don't have to do what other people are doing. You want to do things at your own pace, right? So that's how self-confidence can help you stay safe from giving in to peer pressure. Number 3 on my list today is that confidence can help you live a healthier life. Because confident people, they are happier, they feel more optimistic, they always see the positive side of every situation, they see opportunity instead of problems. And these people, they always feel satisfied with what they do because you are doing this thing based on what your instinct told you. So there is this sense of satisfaction that comes with that because you do this from your own mind, not based on what someone else told you to do. You followed your instinct and did it. You're confident in yourself and you do it. On the other hand, people who lack confidence, they always struggle with negative feelings such as fear, anxiety, depression. And the number 4 on my list today is that confidence can help you with decision making. A confident person that's making decisions, you're able to weigh the outcome of your decision and you are confident of it. You know already that this may turn out good, this may turn out bad. And when you're confident in yourself, even if the result doesn't turn out as expected, you are able to accept it that way, learn from the mistakes that you made, and try to improve next time, instead of beating yourself up and saying, oh my god, this was my fault. No, you just admit your mistakes, take it the way it is and learn from it. If you lack confidence, you start criticizing yourself. Lack of confidence can also deter your ability to even think of making a good decision in the first place, because you start having self-doubt, thinking that what you're about to do is not the right thing, right? Not even to try at all. So with confidence, you are able to try, and most time the outcome may be positive. But also if the outcome is not positive, you are able to accept the mistakes, learn from them, and move further. The number 5 on my list is confidence can make you a better communicator. Studies have shown that confident people are very direct with their point without second guessing themselves, because they already know what they want and they make it known and clear to people. On the other hand, people with low confidence can struggle with this because they second guess themselves. They are afraid of how people will react or respond to what they are going to say, so most time they hold back. And holding back is not a sign of good communicator, and it can even result to misunderstanding. But when you're confident, you can easily, seamlessly communicate your point to someone for them to understand. And even when they question why you made that decision, you are able to easily communicate it to them without feeling any stress about it, because you are sure of what you're doing, you're sure of what you want. Number 6 on this list is confidence can help you improve relationships. Okay, when we talk about relationship, we're talking about normal relationship as well as love relationship. So as a confident person, you are more likely to be independent on others. You are able to create boundaries. And when you are in a relationship that doesn't give you the respect that you deserve, you are able to easily move on, as opposed to someone with low confidence. They will be so dependent on other people and they can't move on. They think that is the end of their world, and they stay grounded in toxic relationships. Even in friendships, right? They stay grounded with friends who tear them apart because they are scared of losing those friendships. But if you're a confident person, you are able to cut off anyone who doesn't respect you, right? Who doesn't see the worth in you. Because when you're confident, you already know your worth, you know who you are, and you won't allow anyone to tear you apart or bring you down. And number 7 on this list is confidence can help you earn respect. All right? Because confident people, they give off the impression that they know what they want. They know who they are, and they are not going to take anything less from anybody. And for that reason, anybody who wants to be close to them may want to give them that respect that they deserve, so not to get in trouble with them or so not to offend them, right? So that is why, if you notice in the world today, the best leaders today, they are all confident people. They already know what they want. They build authority in their field, in their industry, and people respect them for that, which is why people follow them. So you build authority. As a confident person, it is easy for you to build authority because you already know what you want and you give off that impression already. And being a confident person, you are able to see things from different perspectives and do your mix and match, and make your decision very easily. And people like people who can make decisions fast, right? So that is why, and also give advice. Yes, so leaders, they can easily give you advice. They are confident in themselves and they know what they are doing. You can easily build an authority on that, and these people will come after you because they are looking for someone that is confident, that knows what he or she is doing, that they want to depend on and take as role models. Number 8 on my list is confidence can motivate you. Confidence can help you take a look at your strengths and leverage them to become a better person. All right? Because you already know what you are very good at, you want to take advantage of them to become a better person. Also, confidence can help you look at your weaknesses, work on improving in those areas in order to become a better person. And to become successful, you need motivation. You need confidence to see how to improve in your weaknesses. You need confidence to see how to take advantage of your strengths. Number 9 on this list is confidence can help you build resilience. All right, so let's take, for example, in a situation whereby you make a decision with the hope to get a positive outcome, but eventually it doesn't turn out as planned. With confidence, because you are sure of yourself, you know you have the skills or the ability to do better next time, you are able to put your failure into perspective, learn from your mistakes in order to make better decisions next time. So instead of you backing off because you made a mistake, confidence can help you take advantage of your mistakes to do better next time. And last but not the least, which is number 10, is that confidence can help you improve performance. For example, confident people are able to identify the areas where they are very good at. They know the skills that they have and they know what they can do. So with that, they are able to focus on those areas that they are good at and work on those ones. And the areas where they are not good at, they can either work on improving in those areas, or they outsource someone else who is good in that area to help them complete those tasks. This will help them improve performance and not waste time. So that's why confidence is very important in terms of performance, because it helps you to prioritize tasks and be able to manage your time properly, instead of just roaming around trying to do things that you are not even good at. You want to do them yourself. You are able to identify the ones that you need to outsource someone to do and the ones that you can do by yourself. So I hope someone learned something from this video today, and if you like my video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't, feel free to give it a thumbs down. Also comment your thoughts below, because we reply to comment, and critics are welcome. Just make sure to keep them polite. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping videos related to these topics every week, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on that. I'll see you in my next video.